So how hot is the used car, classic car market in the U.S.? Well, here is an article from Bloomberg Business News where Bring a Trailer, which is a website that sells a lot of classic cars, we featured it on this channel quite a few times. They sold almost $1 billion in cars last year, and they beat out many of the higher end auctions, in-person auctions. Now, some of these are high-end cars, vintage Porsches, but a lot of them are just old-school classic cars. We've seen things like old 80s and 70s pickup trucks. We've seen a lot of classic gearhead cars from the 60s, and buying and selling on Bring a Trailer is like eBay. You place a bid, you register, and then whoever has the highest bid owns the vehicle. You pay a buyer's premium, so they're making a percentage. So just think about it. $800 some odd million, 5% of that is like $40 million in revenue just for selling cars on a website. You don't even have to have the cars in person. You don't have to have a storage lot. So the used car, classic car market is hot. This is a good example of it. Bring a Trailer is a great place to find cars. You'll see in this article they're showing a lot of high-end, vintage Pebble Beach type cars. But when you look at Bring a Trailer, you're going to find a lot of old Jeeps, old Camaros, GMC trucks, and we featured them on the website. So it's a good place to look, and you may find something that it's probably going to be a little more than a beat-up car on Craigslist or Facebook, but it might be in better condition, and it might be something that's more difficult to find elsewhere.